Hi everybody.
Hello.
Well, we're back with you quick again this time.
Yeah, because we've decided we're going to do the couch, aren't we?
Yes. So, well, the video's been done. We're just doing a quick sort of introduction as to what we've done this week. So we've done the couch, built that. That can be seen in the video. And what else we've done? We've done
the strip for the carpet.
Yeah, strip for the carpets down. That'll be in the video as well. Done a bit more on the steps outside. Replaced another step that we didn't do the last time when I did the rest of the pontoon.
Yeah, we had to cut the cushions down because we got them from a static that was being
repossessed.
Yeah.
No. Scrapped.
Scrapped.
Scrapped. And we've cut the gate down as well a little bit, the main gate on the fence, because we needed to put a bit of false grass down underneath it. So that's all done. That's in this week's escapade.
All the little jobs in 2 days. Isn't it?
Yeah, again.
Once
again, we're knackered.
So we're going to try and keep as many videos coming as we can, as and when we can do them. All right.
What's next week?
I don't know.
We'll see what happens next week when we get here.
Surprise!
Yeah, exactly.
B&Q again to get the wood for the Sofabed,
our favourite store.
Pushing the trolley one more time. Yes, he knows how to steer them.
Do by now.
Should do. This is where we got to try and choose the wood that we need. I think we'll probably go for plywood, because at least we can cover it with the carpet then, can't we?
Yeah.
So, let's have a look. And hoping we've got the slats, we've got the framework, and we've got the front and back there and sides. Should be okay. Yeah. Screws and hinges.
Hinges.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, and
we've got glue to do the carpet.
And a bit of knowledge. Yeah.
Yeah.
If we, screws and hinges.
That'll do.
Right, now the worst bit. It's going very steady because it's all a bit wobbly. Ready for another go? I think we live at B&Q, don't we?
We must do by now.
There we have it. Everything's in. Sorry we didn't film it going in, but we've got one pair of hands. All in. Easy. So we've folded the chairs back, and this is where the new seating is going to go. Just doing a bit of work now to get all this stuff out of the way. So we're having to cut this foam down to 1800. It was 2 meters 10. He's just doing that now. We're going to recover it anyway. guys, we're going to put the corner bits on. Now we will be hoovering up afterwards, so don't worry about that. It's all the new carpet and everything. At least we made one corner. And we'll do the rest. I'll stop the video there and do the work. And action. So we've started putting the slats in. Hopefully it'll work okay in a minute when we've got the bar to go in underneath. Yeah. I can always speed this up a bit. Go pitch up a bit. Yeah. One on the floor, one on this side. Right. So we can see. Just pull it from the front. Just push it back over here. And we can see it. We've now built the sofa bed to the size that we need. So we're hoping it's going to work. I've still got the front legs to go on that top bit there, but we can add on. But it does all lift up. There we go. And then front bit slides out, or it will do when the legs go on there to the size that we want. So it's all working quite good. And it slides back out the way. Well, it should do. There we go. It slides back in place. So then we're going to put the cushions on. That piece of wood at the front there, I'm going to carpet it and screw it onto the front so it holds the cushion back. Then we're going to actually stretch carpet all the way around the base there as well. Tidy it all up. And this is a base cushion just here, which we have chopped down. So we've got to redo that end, but I'm going to put stretch covers on there as well. This bit's going to be stapled on. So we've got this bit to go on here. Carpet a bit for the front. I'm afraid we're going to have to screw it on there. See anything? That's a lot better. So at least we're getting there. Then we'll use this material here to go all the way around, but that's another day. Everything's starting to get there with the new couch. We're going to get some stretch covers to go over it. This white unit here, will be going on the wall underneath the telly, so that will take that up off the floor. Gives us a bit more room then. And the carpet going onto the liner looks better. We've put like a gold strip there. That finishes it off even better now. So we're getting there slowly. We've got to change the sign to narrowboat Nauti Bouys now. Was going to be Zodiac, but we decided to change it. So then we've got the through that area there where it's darker, that's where the bedroom and bathroom is. We've done the bathroom, we've just got the storage to update and redo that at the back of the shower, put some shelves in, and then the whole bedroom area is going to be different. We're turning the bed around to a cross bed, so which means it goes across the boat instead of down one side. So that'll be interesting. That'll be another one. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell for updates.